So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for open houses here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once it is opened up, go into the bottom left and press on the search button. Then go to the top right and press on the filters button. Then once you're onto the filter screen, simply just scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you get past the listing type, and then where it says popular filters and where it says open houses only, it is currently unchecked. Simply just go ahead and push on the box right there to give it a check. Then once that is done, go to the bottom and press on the blue search results button. Then once that is done, you can now search for open houses only here on the Zillow application. So pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.